birds, what's your problem? All got a seat, some of us rose, for others defeat. Also the money, also the fame, all could have reached there, all played the game.
But the sad line, for some, it well wasn't the same.
All my life, they treated me like darkness, shunned away. I saw them judge my color. Growing up poor, I held a weight so heavy. When I worked hard, they told me I'm worthless. In the dance, I saw life before me. Saw how color fade and gender matter. Beauty and riches gave you chances that try you, make hard you, but they still will pull you down. It's my dream that systems become equal, that we see the oneness in people, that our country, it changes for all people, so all of us can be just whoever we want to be. So all of us will be just who